very powerful and a very interesting school, which is called AAFT, School of Fashion and Design. First of all, I would love to invite you as a part of that program. If you're in town, if even if you're not in town, you're most welcome to be a part of that program. Women empowerment is not required. We should talk about human empowerment. And I'm very passionate towards women's security. Seeing the today's scene, it's a call of our. So I, through NGOs and government programs, I work very keenly with them. Before introducing myself, I would like to thank Ritika ma'am so that I could meet such a great personality. Your documentary was mind-boggling. But before enjoying our freedom, we have to practice self-discipline. So once we are disciplined, when we understand the value of a disciplined life, one of my biggest concerns when I was auditioning for Mrs. India was safety for women. अपने आप को self defense आना चाहिए. And secondly, you should be responsible as a daughter. When we talk कि society में बहुत biased हो गया, man has been getting so much, so women should be uplifted. Yes, everyone should be uplifted, and we should talk of equality. Feminism, the thought of feminism as it is biased. Sir, just a little change. We would like to hear your success story. What is the secret of your success?
Women empowerment should not be taken as something going against the men or putting the men down.
स्टिल अभी ये सारे जो है ना, आई थिंक एक मदर पेरेंट्स की ड्यूटी होती है हाउ टू ब्रिंग द चाइल्ड, कैसे उनको संस्कार सिखाने हैं.
My best wishes to each one of you sitting here. I think you are already queen from from the different fields, and congratulations once again. I believe liberty comes with some responsibility. That's I believe because my parents has given me this liberty to send me here or to give me the education. That's liberty we can say.
जो महिलाएं हैं कि वो चाहें तो कंट्री का जो रिसोर्सेज है उसको बहुत ऊपर लेकर के जा सकते हैं. उनके ऊपर बहुत बड़ी जिम्मेदारी है और ये जिम्मेदारी पुरुषों के ऊपर उससे ज़्यादा है कि वो उनको मौका दें.
मैं आज बहुत खुश हूँ कि मारवा स्टूडियो के प्रांगण में आज उन तमाम क्वींस को यहाँ पर लाया गया है जिन्होंने कड़ी मेहनत, परिश्रम और पूरे उत्साह के साथ इसमें भाग लिया और विजेता बनकर यहाँ पहुंची हैं. ये हमारा धर्म बन जाता है कि हम ऐसे महिलाओं को फिर से एक बार सम्मानित करें जिन्होंने अपनी तमाम रोज़मर्रा की चीज़ों को एक तरफ रखते हुए, उनको निभाते हुए भी इस मकाम पर पहुंच के दिखाया है कि देश का नाम और उनके अपने अपने स्टेट्स और शहरों का नाम आज उजागर हुआ है. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है और चर्चा करने के बाद मैं इस नतीजे पे तो ज़रूर पहुंचा हूं कि ये सिर्फ खूबसूरती नहीं, बहुत अक्लमंद भी हैं. देखिए, आज हमने इनकी सारी लियाकतों को हिसाब किताब रखते हुए इन्हें सभी लोगों को इंटरनेशनल वुमेन्स फिल्म फोरम का परमानेंट लाइफ मेंबर बनाया है.
थैंक यू सर. थैंक यू.
Hello everyone, I am Sneha and I am so happy to be here. आज हमारे साथ हैं Queen of Subsistence.
So when I won the Mrs. India pageant in 2023, the shine in the eyes of my child, both my children, I've got twins, जो चमक थी उनकी आंखों में वो मैं कभी नहीं भूल सकती कि मम्मा are you a queen? That was incredible and that gave me more and more power to do more and proving myself. Of course it was my dream too, but yes, that gave me utmost happiness.
मुझे इंस्पिरेशन मेरे एक्चुअली स्पाउस से मिलती है. सो हिज नेम इज़ सत्यम शर्मा एंड बहुत 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 ही ब्यूटीफुल ह्यूमन बीइंग है वो. तो आई थिंक मैं अपने लाइफ में जितने भी स्टार्टिंग से आगे आई हूँ मिसेस इंडिया में और वी कैन से कि जॉब में सब कुछ एवरी इंस्पिरेशन एवरीथिंग सत्यम से ही मिला है. एंड लविंगली मैं उन्हें सत्तू बुलाती हूँ. तो दैट इज
Thank you so much, ma'am. Please believe yourself and whatever you want to do. And ladies, I tell you that whatever you want to do, please go forward and do everything. You can do everything. You can achieve everything. अगर आपके मन में लगन हो, passion हो या discipline हो, you can do everything as you can.
Hello everyone, and I have Miss Shitu Bhadja with me, who is the second runner up of Mrs. India Queen of Substance. So let us know up from her that what was her journey like.
That was a wonderful journey which I have not actually imagined, because it was my childhood dream which came true when I got married, when I had a kid. So it was an amazing journey. The confidence and the it was a next level happiness being there on the stage with so many people, so many beautiful pageant was there were there contestants. So it is an amazing experience we had there.
Describe this crown. See, they say heavy is the head that wears the crown, right? Similarly, and once I got this, I felt that, the responsibility towards, it's not just having this crown, but we are here to serve. I mean, it's for a purpose. So I can say that heavy is the head that wears the crown. So I am like, uh, you know here to do a lot of things, and I am also at, like, I do the social activities, I do a lot of things. So yeah, I'm happy.
In our daily lives, everyone, all of us have responsibilities, family, friends, uh, everything around us. And the first responsibility for us, which is that is for our own self. So we are responsible for ourselves, and then we are responsible to love our people. We're responsible for the society as well. When we grow, right? So when we grow, we set an example. We create an example. We create an environment of happiness and success. So that is how I am going to support the society, by creating an example that you can also work hard on your own. You can also go through all the situations of your life. Just follow all your responsibilities, and you can also inspire others too. Okay, if you connected with my title, Mrs. Park, I think I like to find joy in small things. And so I like to always be happy and spread positivity and smiles all around. And I think that's what I did. I made a few friendships, and that was really amazing.
We always look around the person who can represent themselves, and she should be confident enough, because being married woman, we have a lot of responsibility. It is not like that we are sitting at home and we are doing other chores. It is related to that we are actually paving the path for the future generation, and we are the women who are actually in the golden period, where our families are supporting, the government is also supporting to come out from their shells. And I think every woman should take this responsibility, that they are doing whatever they are doing, they need to give back to the society as well, in terms of uplifting other females, in terms of giving back to the society.
It's a big responsibility, authority, authentication, and a platform where people will listen to me. So again, I'm thankful to Mrs. Ritika Vinay for making me an ambassador where people will listen to me. I want to spread the word for underprivileged women and children, for doing their welfare. So they will listen to me only when I have some platform. And this is the platform, this is the responsibility.
My journey, you want to know about my life or the MIQS journey?
MIQS journey.
Okay, MIQS journey has been so inspiring, so enlightening, that it has really, really enriched me. And it not only added wings to that lost or maybe missing femininity in me, which I was missing for that long, it also became the wind beneath my wings, and it has opened the sky for me to fly high and high. So it has opened so many new things, which is, I have been very confident and very social worker person. So interacting with people throughout my life, encouraging people, children, looking after children, education, women security. But this MIQS has opened some new door where I just entered like a diva, and I feel so loved and so taken care of, that I just feel like giving back so much to the society. So this crown has come with a big responsibility.